Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're talking all things October-based spoilers. I know you guys get so excited for this. I do too, and I can't wait to spill all the good tea. For any of you guys who are new to our channel, welcome to the Boxycharm channel. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a beauty subscription company that we send you 5 full-size products featured in your box on a monthly basis, sent to your home for just $25 a month. I know, right? Such a great deal. With that being said, let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Concealer. So we have 30 shades available for all of you, but today I'm showcasing 5 of them that ranges from the lightest to the darkest. So you guys, this is just 5 of the shades that I decided to swatch for you guys. This is a full coverage, lightweight, blendable and easy formula to use. You're absolutely going to love it. I love it because it helps to conceal any under eye dark circles, blemishes, or any imperfections that you want to get rid of for the moment. Alrighty you guys, so the next product we have is the FarsaliPrivet Quench. So you guys, this product is a moisturizing replenishing serum. This is gonna help to improve your skin's elasticity to make it softer and add that hydration that you may be missing with your skin. Okay, so the next product we have is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. You guys, this works for normal, oily, combination, and dry skin. I definitely have oily and combination skin, so I'm definitely going to be testing out this product this season. This is just a creamy exfoliating cleanser that's going to help reveal smoother skin for you. Okay Charmers, so this is our last product, and this one is the REALHER Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This is definitely going to have all your cheek angles covered. So let's get into the shades here. We have Blessed, which is a soft peach blush. We have Goddess, which is a gilded gold highlighter, and we have Incredible, which is a light umber bronzer. This is everything you need, very compact and easy to take with you anywhere. Alrighty guys, so this wraps up October's spoilers for the base box. I can't wait for you guys to try some of these amazing products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that post notification bell right down there to stay notified with all things boxy. Alrighty, bye!